咱们都看你这套过瘾，那套汤一样的，一会儿再套的有钱的一点。
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty. Chinatown in his house. All right, Brooklyn Chinatown. A lot of walking today. It's good to get the Chinatown in. Got the food carts over here. They set up shop a lot on this side. You see a lot of food carts. All right. Brooklyn Chinatown. All right. Brooklyn Chinatown today. Been here quite a few hours. Very cool spot. We like to get out here sometimes. In New York City, this feels like being in China. It's got that I'm in China kind of vibe here. And yeah, so 8th Avenue here, this is the main spot. It's basically the spot where they have all the food carts and things like that, all the food and all that kind of stuff. Pretty much this is where the action is. Over here we got the food courts and all of that. Got a lot of food courts over here. They set it up over here more towards nighttime. There's a TD Bank over here too. So they set things up over here. Yeah, they got all the parts over here ready to go. I guess more people come at nighttime too, I would imagine, later on. Yeah, so this is a very busy corner right here. It gets more busy later, more food carts set up. There's some setting up now. Like the later it goes, the more people, I think, like, you know, once it gets dark, maybe 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, around there, maybe 11 o'clock. I don't know how late. It is Sunday night, so yeah, there's a lot of food carts that get set up over here. This is a popular spot. I think I've seen people come from Manhattan to come here, maybe for the food cart. I mean, this is like a party over here. It's pretty lit up at night too on this section over here. Yeah, you can actually just stand here and it's like very lively just standing here. Like seriously, just on this spot right here, it's very lively. So yeah, we lost power on the camera. I don't know how much juice we have right now. So this video is going to be a little chopped up, I think. Okay, so we lost battery on little big guy, so yeah, this is probably the end of the Brooklyn Chinatown video, June 28, 2026. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. God bless.